Understanding VLANs, enhancing network efficiency and security. In modern networking, virtual local area networks, VLANs, play a crucial role in optimizing network performance, security, and scalability. What is a VLAN? A VLAN, virtual local area network, is a logically segmented network within a physical switch, allowing devices to communicate as if they were on the same network, even if they are physically apart. VLANs help in reducing broadcast traffic, enhancing security, and improving overall network performance. Why use VLANs? Better network segmentation. Instead of using multiple physical networks, VLANs allow logical grouping of devices, reducing congestion and improving efficiency. Enhanced security. By isolating sensitive data and restricting access, VLANs help protect critical business assets from unauthorized users. Types of VLANs. Default VLAN. Every switch has a default VLAN, usually VLAN 1, where all devices are initially placed. Data VLAN. Used to separate user-generated traffic from other types of network traffic. Voice VLAN. Dedicated VLAN for VoIP traffic, ensuring smooth communication. Management VLAN. For network administrators to manage switches and routers securely. Native VLAN. The VLAN that carries untagged traffic on a trunk port. How VLANs work. VLANs work by tagging Ethernet frames using IEEE 802.1q protocol. Switches assign VLAN tags to data packets, ensuring that devices within the same VLAN can communicate while others remain isolated.